I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Lexus GS versus Lexus E's full comparison. Listen for key differences and decide which sedan fits your lifestyle. I walk through engine options, ride quality, interior comfort, tech features, and ownership costs so you can make a confident choice. I point out strengths like sport tuning and rear-wheel dynamics versus smooth ride and front-wheel refinement, plus practical tips for test drives and comparisons. Quickly comparing engines helps reveal real-world performance differences. We'll compare horsepower, handling, and fuel use to show trade-offs. Expect discussion of V6 options, turbo choices, suspension tuning and braking, feel along with EPA fuel estimates and daily driving impressions to guide your preference. I'll highlight tech features like infotainment, driver assists, and cabin materials so you can weigh luxury versus sport priorities before you shop. Quick recommendation today. If you like organized meal prep, check these leak-proof containers for easy transport and spotless bags. They seal tightly, stack neatly, and withstand microwaves for quick reheats. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making these comparisons. See description for the link and other deals on handy gear. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. This section focuses on cabin comfort and ownership value. I describe seating, cargo space, noise levels, and material quality to help you prioritize comfort or performance. We'll cover warranty, maintenance expectations, and insurance differences so you understand real ownership costs. Pay attention to rear legroom numbers, trunk capacity, and optional packages that affect resale and daily usability when choosing between these two Lexus models. I also touch on dealer incentives and financing tips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.